Have you ever wondered how top brands create powerful ads? Imagine having access to their strategies. Today, we'll explore the art of ethical ad spying. The Meta Ads library is a treasure trove of inspiration. It showcases competitor ads for our analysis. We'll use this tool to refine our own ad campaigns. First, let's dive into the ads. Search the Meta Ads library for your competitors. Focus on 10 to 20 ads. Look closely at their hooks, formats, offers, and CTAs. Next, categorize the ads. Identify different structures used in their campaigns. Pay attention to user-generated content, UGC, product demos, and before/after comparisons. After categorization, choose your top structures. Which formats resonate with your audience? Select at least 3 to test first. This ensures a variety of approaches in your campaigns. For example, let's say you notice a competitor using UGC effectively. People love authenticity. A simple product demo can showcase your product in real time. Moreover, before-after images highlight transformations your product delivers. In summary, spy and swipe ethically to enhance your ads. Analyzing competitors in Meta Ads library helps us learn. Choose high-performing ad structures to test for future campaigns. Ready to elevate your advertising game? Start exploring the Meta Ads library today. Like and share for more.